Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the super indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the super indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 40 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 477 indicators, with 194 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the super indicator. And you can see it here on screen. And there's a few visual parts to this, which I'm actually going to go ahead and turn off, especially this background coloration, because once we get like fully into the testing, it gets a little bit hard to, it just creates some visual problems in my opinion. So let's go ahead and do that and that, and then what we are left with are these buy and sell tags right there. And so the setup on this, as you can probably guess, is pretty simple. When we get a buy tag, we are going to go long. When we get a sell tag, we are going to go short. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we picked up our first signal right here, was a sell signal. You can see that price comes down pretty nicely right there, getting us to take profit. Over here on this side, we pick up a buy signal, and same kind of deal with this. You can see that price action pushes up rather nicely right there, also getting us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so you can see on this one right here, we pick up a sell. Price action pushes up a little bit right there, kind of testing our stop just a little bit, but stays within the stop before it pushes down really heavily right there, getting us to take profit. Pick up this buy right here. It's kind of just a random buy. Really, price action just immediately pushes down. Doesn't give us any push to the upside right there. So that one gets us stopped out as we pick up a sell right here. Pushes down, getting us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a buy right here. Price action pushes up, getting us to take profit. But then we pick up a sell right there on that one, actually. And you can see price action continues to just push ever higher. And so that one gets us stopped out. Then we pick up a buy right here, right as price action starts to correct itself, pushing downward, also stopping us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so that will actually put us at the end of the year right there with this very last sell signal there that pushes down, getting us to take profit. Let's just double check here. Actually, I don't think it has hit our take profit yet. Let me zoom in a little bit tighter here. There to there, it actually has not. There we go. So that would have hit our take profit right there. All right, so that does put us at the end of the year. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Rob and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those strategies. Our admin Rob is posting scanner alerts every now and then. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see, take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our members has been putting together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers. And together they have been creating a full suite of optimized profitable indicators using a lot of the indicators that we have tested here. And they're giving those indicators away to all the patrons for free. They're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. And once they do that, they'll be offering those to all the patrons also. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at our indicator here. Everything in focus here, there, and there. Let's go ahead and count these out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 signals all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winners. And so that does push us right up over that 60% marker that we're looking for. All in all, it didn't seem like a bad indicator. I do notice that it seems to throw some signals in some very strange times, and so that might become a problem during specific times when price action moves in a specific way, if that makes any sense. Typically, this is something that you would want to watch out for. Kind of a red flag is when it throws signals in areas where there's no reason for there to be a signal right there at all. Like right here on this one, there is no reason at all for there to be a buy signal right there. Price right here was kind of moving upwards, but at that moment is either severely delayed or yeah, something weird was going on there. Same way when it did over here, where it threw a sell signal right here and price action was clearly moving up. And so this buy signal I can kind of understand because it does pull back and then continue in that direction. But again, those are kind of red flags. Also, it didn't give a lot of trades within 1 year's time. But for now, it will go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.